Good morning. This is Michaela Stroud, your 4-H program assistant for the South Bend Extension District with another bReAk activity. Today's activity is called Fireworks in a Jar, and it's a very simple but cool science experiment that helps showcase the different densities of liquids. So let's go ahead and get started. The materials that you need are a bowl, a tablespoon for measuring, a fork, a clear glass or jar. I'm just using a glass today. And then also some vegetable oil with some food coloring as well. I have a total of 4 colors that we will be using. So to begin with, you need to fill your clear container, such as a glass or mason jar, about 3/4 the way full. You do want some space at the top because you'll be adding some more liquids here in a little bit. So in your empty bowl, you need to take your vegetable oil and measure 3 to 4 tablespoons. For today, I'm going to do 3 of them. There's 1, there's 2, and there's 3. Put the cap back on there. So with my vegetable oil in the bowl, I'm now going to take my food coloring and just add dots all the way through my vegetable oil. So I'm going to add 4 dots of each color. So there's my blue, there's my yellow, do green here, and red. Okay, so all those are added. Now I'm going to take my fork and just mix this together so there's a lot of different little polka dots in there. So you do want to break up your food coloring so it does have more dots in it compared to just the big dots when you originally put it. So once it's good and mixed, I'm going to go ahead and move my glass over and pour it into the water slowly. Okay. As you can see already, the magic is already happening. So you'll notice that the oil and the water will not mix at all. So that showcases that the oil is actually denser than the water, and your colors are already falling apart and they will dissolve into the water. So basically, from your food coloring that you put up here, it is going lower and will mix into the water, and that's how you get the different fireworks effect. And now you can definitely tell on this other side that hasn't mixed yet, but you can see the different colors too. You can use a larger container or a smaller container, or even fewer drops of food coloring or more, depending on what type of effect you want. But this is a relatively cheap experiment, so you can repeat it multiple times and have different variables such as, I wonder what happens if I only put 1 drop of food coloring, or if I put 5 drops of food coloring instead. So that is today's bReAk activity, and we will see you next time. Bye!